bought a second-hand GoPro Hero 4 Session. Yes, it's got a crack in the screen. I knew that when I bought it. You can only just see it in the playback, but you can crop it out. Now, I did a video on this yesterday. I wasn't real happy because the playback straight out of the GoPro app was very ordinary. But then I thought, I'll just have a bit of research and see what other people's experiences are with the GoPro 4. Turns out the video wasn't as bad as what I first thought. It's actually not too bad. So I thought I'd do another video today and I'll show you guys. This is what I'll be using a bit more. Now, this is very simple to use. You got this button on the top. You press that and it's got no, as you can see, it's got no SD card. But as soon as you press that, it usually starts recording. You got another button down here, and that's all your settings. You can cycle through the settings with the top button. And as you can see, it's got Wi-Fi, so you can link this to your phone through the GoPro app, and you can use the iPhone as the monitor, so you can see what you're recording. I'll show you that in a second. Now, what do we got here? One moment. We've got this little flap here. I'm trying to open this with one hand. I just cannot do it because I cut my thumbnails the other day. Hang on. Anyway, where is it? It usually opens, there we go, opens easy. Now that's where your SD card goes, and that is where you charge it, the charging port. Now this is completely waterproof. You can throw it in the toilet, you can throw it in the sink, you can throw it anywhere that's wet. I'm not going to try it because I've got a cracked screen and I'm not sure whether that's going to seal, but I do have a waterproof case for it to go in. Oh, enough of the rambling about my little black box called a GoPro Hero 4 Session. I'll take you for a run and we'll see how it records. We're recording. So, first thing I'm going to do with this GoPro is take you for a drive in a 620, because that's what it's for, doing that sort of shit. Now, these don't have built-in stabilization, so a little bit jerky when you're just walking around with them. May see if I can get some sort of a stabilization gimbal for this sort of thing. Got new rims on the 620, the Pajero rims. Now, I haven't cleaned them up yet, but trying to work out whether I was going to go silver like that or black. Don't know yet. We'll see. Leaning towards silver, but anyway, I'll clip you in. We'll go for a drive. Okay. It's a bit cold, takes a bit to warm up. Miserable, dreary day today. I'm just going over to my Mima's, my mum's, because she just put in a new kitchen. And I need some cupboards for my shed, so I'm going to take her old kitchen cupboards and I'm going to mount them in my shed, mount them up on the wall so they're up off the ground. Some of them mount on the ground. Put the stuff in, make my shed look a bit tidier. That's the main goal. different with these wheels on it, the bigger wheels. Feels like it's grabbing for some reason. May have to suss that out. Haven't really been far with the new wheels, so. Wow, there's a lot of traffic today. I don't know if you can see that red light on my dash. It's got something to do with brakes. I don't know, because there's no electrical wires going to my brake master cylinder, and my handbrake cable doesn't have anything going to it, so I don't know why it's on. I'll pull the globe out, I reckon. Can you feel that power? Power of the J15. I gotta go home. You know why? Forgot my straps. So the whole point of this video is to experiment with the GoPro, because I've been using the iPhone most of the time, and well, all of the time, and always worried that I'm going to drop it and crack my screen. The iPhone's pretty fragile little soles. I mean, the video quality is awesome on the iPhone, but yeah, it's just that thought of dropping it, and the mounts aren't as good for the iPhone. But I've also got my partner's got a Canon DSLR, and I'm going to experiment with that a little bit too, but again, they're good for certain things. They're a bit more fragile than the old GoPro. I plan, because you can pick the older GoPros up like this, Hero Session 4, pick them up for under $100 if you hunt around. I might see if I can grab a couple more, that way I can have them mounted in different spots, and I can edit my videos a lot better and bring out better content. I'll work just over there. Bridge paint panel. Oh, I can smell the bunning sausages. Well, today I've got a day on today. Got a marquee out there. It's a local four-wheel drive joint. Say the 620 drives a little bit smoother with these wheels on, because the wheels I had on before on the front, the very low profile tyre, and yeah, it felt every little bump. Not that this is as smooth as a Rolls Royce, better than it was. Bench. Pull up out the front here. My linkages are a bit worn, I've got to slam it in gear sometimes. Well, there you go, that's thumbs up to the GoPro Session 4. When I first bought it, I was not happy with it, but I've looked into it a bit further and now I love it. It's a good little camera. I might do some video editing courses so I can bring you some better content. It's quite enjoyable. I'm really enjoying doing these videos. It's something new for me. It's a new hobby, a new thing I can get my head around. So I can cut, edit, and I can combine this with my other passion, which is of course building cars, and I've got a few to build. So yeah, I've never talked about my daily driver, the old Tally. That's my tow rig. Anyway, that's enough of that. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive building content. I will see you later.